Today, take a look at the VEVOR pipe wrench. So this is an interesting model. You can see it's got a spring-loaded top on it. Most of the time they got that little threaded nut. This one is called the RAPIDGRIP 14-inch. It does have an aluminum handle, so this thing is fairly light for a 14-inch, and it has a hole in the end so you can't hang the guy up. But because we don't have that threaded nut, we can actually get this guy on there. We don't have to spend a bunch of time adjusting it. This is going to make your life a lot easier. Now, I was not aware that it actually had a spring on it. I thought this was going to be something where you got to get around the pipe and then kind of push with one hand while pulling with the other. But the spring is actually going to hold the top into place. So all I got to do is get it around that pipe, drop it on, and then we can start working. I got a couple of pieces of black iron pipe. I got 2 nipples and a coupler. So it seems to kind of slide on there, which is not great. So if I push up with my thumb, I get a better grip. There we go. So it works better like this. Not really sure why. Yeah, but we could definitely get a good grip on it like that. Cool. Okay, so it's simply technique. So I just got to get better at using it. Well, yeah, that is a pretty cool, very unique little tool. You can see by the scarring on here, it definitely dug in, so it has got some nice, sharp, heavy-duty teeth on it. A little bit of a technique. I think this is going to be a learning curve to actually make yourself good at using this, but I think once you do, you'll probably be much faster with this than you would with any regular pipe wrench. So that's very neat.